Hey, my name is Boris Altman. I'm doing the second repair attempt, trying to find a different spot over here at 194 Concord Way. As you can see, this is the damaged shingle. We'll go ahead and hand the camera over and begin unsealing the shingle. So it starts right there. Another one right here. Come on, look right here. I mean, I can't even get underneath the car. It's already poking through. Got a damage here, got a damage there. As you can see, this one right here. Let's just come closely so you can see how I'm trying to unseal. Like, you see how it goes straight through the shingle. The shingle's just falling apart. It can't be repaired here. As you can see, here. I mean, if I hit all the nail holes, so this is the end of the shingle. Let me see your chart. It's the only tab that was able to be unsealed. Take that over. All right, like I mentioned, while trying to remove this tab, it punctured through here, punctured through here, punctured through here, here, and here. The shingle can't be repaired at 1944. Just like it couldn't be unsealed on this side. You can see the algae that's growing through it. All right, thank you.